Hi guys, so today's question is make array 0 by subtracting equal amounts. So you have given a non-integer array, non-negative integer array nums. In one operation, you must choose a positive integer x such that x is smallest element except 0. Subtract x from every positive element and return the minimum number of operation to make every element to 0. So you have to make every element to 0 performing these two operations. So I have used recursion here. So what in one operation you have to choose a, no, a smallest integer other than 0. So that is 1. And then subtracting 1 from every integer elements provided it is a positive elements and non-zero. So after subtracting 1, two elements have become 0. Now the smallest element here is 2. So subtracting every element from 2, a positive element and greater than 0. So that is 2 and the smallest element is no. Now the all elements will be 0. The number of operation will be 3. So what I have done, I've taken three static global variables that I'll explain. I have make a recursion call and pass the integers. First, I will sort the array, and after the loop, if it is a non-negative, that is the smallest number. I will get the smallest number in the integer smallest. After the smallest number, I will count the number. I have to count the number of operation to make it zero. So I have to see that if operation have been performed or not. If you see the second example, you see it is zero. So operation has not been performed. So then I will, if the operation has been performed, how will we know the operation is performed? I will again iterate the loop. If number is greater than zero, I will subtract that number, smallest number from that indices or which element contains in the array. So count top plus plus means the operation is performed. If the operation is performed, I will increase the main count, which will I'll return from this method. That's one of operation has been performed, and this count loop again I will become zero in the top of the recursive method. So now operation has been performed. Now what we have to do, we have to check if all make a recursion call decision. If all are zeros, yes. If all are zeros, then what we have to do, we have to check if that number of zeros is not equal to nums dot length. Means all are not zero. We have to make a recursion call. Else we have to return. Okay, and we will make this count zero again zero at the initial stages to prepare it for the next.